Hello and welcome to Love Anything Art. Today I will show you this super simple and cute idea. I've rolled out a whole bunch of white, orange, and yellow balls of clay. These will be for the candy corn. Just connect each of them together and then gently roll to connect them. And then you can just pinch it gently between your fingers and get it into that candy corn shape. And you'll want a whole bunch of these, probably about 12 or 13. And then I'm going to put these on a piece of paper and put them aside for now. I've rolled out a ball of black clay, and then I will gently roll one of the ends out into a point, keeping the other end round. Once I have it to the length that I want and the shape, I'll just place it on a flat surface and then gently pinch down the sides to give it the rim for the hat. You can make this rim as long as you want. You can also pinch it between your fingers to get it flat and to pull it out a little bit further from the hat. And then you can just use your fingers and smooth out any fingerprints that you might have put on there. I'm going to use this tool, you can use whatever you want, to just make a little hole at the bottom of the hat. And this is just so that the candy corn has a little hole to sit into. It will also make it spill over the sides too. It doesn't have to be perfect, and you can just put it on the rim of the hat without making the hole if you want. Then just start placing in all of your little candy corns. Place them in there however you want them to be. Just stack them on top of each other until you have the hat full. A nice pile of candy corn. You can use your fingers to smooth out any of the fingerprints you might have gotten on there. Roll out a ball of orange clay until it's long and thin, and then gently pinch or use your fingers to flatten against a surface. Cut off the end so that it is nice and crisp. Then use the edge of your tissue blade to make the edges nice and smooth and even. You'll just want to place this around the rim of the hat. And then you can make a mark where you want to cut it off. And then put it on a flat surface, cut off that piece. Attach it together, and then you can smooth out the seam. Just take a piece of black clay and then flatten it. And then cut out a square or rectangular shape, just using your tissue blade. And then place that right there at the front of your hat. And then make a small little triangle or rectangle of the orange clay and place that on top. I'm using this rounded tool to bend this stick pin so that I can have something to hang my hat from, kind of like a little hat bag. And the wire bends pretty easily. Just cut off any of the excess so that each side is even. And then tuck that down into your clay. I've made a second one and I will bake my pieces. And I did decide to put a little bit of resin on the top of the hat and the candy corn, and I left the bottom part a matte finish. I did not put any varnish on that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!